This is the Mitel My Voice 5312 IP phone. The 5312 is a hands-free IP speakerphone with a multi-line backlit display and programmable featured keys. It is a full-featured dual-mode and dual-port IP phone. It is powered via power over Ethernet or with optional 48-volt power supply. Included with the Mitel 5312 IP phone is the handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.